for you. You make me feel.
What's up, everybody? It's Rob back with another video. I'm doing an unboxing of the NUU Mobile G3 Plus. Shout out to NUU Mobile for sending me out this review unit, have me check it out. I really appreciate it. NUU Mobile is getting very aggressive. I like how they're hitting all the content creators. They're pushing their phone out there. They want to be one of the phones you considered when looking for a budget phone. Now, this particular one is $229. I did get they did send me the Onyx Black. It does have a real nice presentation. Let's check it out. You can get this probably, I'm quite sure you can get it on Amazon. I'll leave the links and everything to that down below. Slide, real nice. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what they, here's the phone. Give you a starting guide. They also give you a case, a little clear TPU case just to protect it from scratches. Charging brick. I would do a review without my glasses. You do have that dongle life when you're dealing with these companies. Now everybody is, at least they threw in a free dongle, unlike some other companies are not doing these days. USB Type-C cable. Yep, because the dongle had the same tip on it. Let's get to the phone. Thank you. Happy with your new NUU Mobile phone. And you get some stickers. Now, it does have Android 8.0 out the box. Very nice, sleek phone. Nice color, shimmering. This is a very nicely designed phone. You do have the NUU Mobile branding on the back, designed by NUU Mobile, assembled in Japan. This phone does have the Helio P25 Octa-Core processor, clocked at 2.39 gigahertz, 5.7-inch display, 720 18:9 aspect ratio, which is what we are used to. Very sleek feel, very slim, very Samsung-like build. It does have two rear cameras, 13 megapixel and a 5 megapixel camera. The front camera is also a 13 megapixel with a flash. It does record in high definition, 1080, 4,000 milliamp battery. This is a small phone, and for this to have a 4,000 milliamp battery is pretty incredible. 64 gigabytes of storage. It does have 4 gigs of RAM and microSD support up to 128 gigabytes. This is a GSM only phone, so the big two GSMs are T-Mobile and AT&T, and those other companies that are under a little smaller ones like the Cricket and those type of companies are GSM. So in other words, no Sprint, no Verizon. Again, it does have NFC, which is a cool thing for a budget phone to have NFC. So you can use NFC, your Google Pay and those type of digital payment setups. It is somewhat of a thick phone, but it's still a nice phone. Let's check out the TPU case. Looks real nice on the phone. Does have your fingerprint sensor on the back, and you do have a facial recognition. Let's check the first boot up. There's the boot up. Again, this is the NUU Mobile G3 Plus. I'm looking forward to running this phone through its paces, letting you know what I think of this phone. Also, this phone does have fast charging, so I'm sorry I didn't mention that earlier, but it does have fast charging. You do got the payment security, 8.0 Android. Trying to see if there's anything that I left out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave that down below. Stay tuned for more coverage for the NUU Mobile G3 Plus. And again, I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.